Welcome to Unit 3, where we explore the vital connection between listening comprehension and effective note-taking. Listening is more than just hearing. It is a process aimed at true comprehension. Whether you are engaging in superficial or deep listening, your level of concentration should always match the importance of the subject matter. This unit is designed to prepare you for academic and professional success. By mastering the art of recording information from lectures, recordings, and presentations. First, let us clarify the difference between note-taking and note-making. Note-taking is the act of capturing information in real time, such as during a lecture or seminar. Note-making, on the other hand, is what you do during private study when working with textbooks or research articles. When it comes to taking effective notes during a lecture, remember these core principles. Always prioritize attentive listening over immediate writing. Make sure you truly understand a point before you try to capture it on paper. Instead of writing full sentences, which can be time-consuming and cluttered, focus on summarizing the main ideas. To keep up with the speaker, utilize abbreviations like IE for that is, or BC for because. And feel free to create your own shorthand as long as you can read it later. You can also use symbols to speed up the process, such as using an arrow to show the flow of ideas or an equal sign to denote equivalence. Organization is just as important as the notes themselves. Leave plenty of space between headings and maintain wide margins, so you have room to add comments or references during your private study time. Use capitalization, underlining, or colors to emphasize key points and keep your work neat so it is easier to review later. Remember to filter out irrelevant information such as casual anecdotes or preamble, as your goal is to capture the essence of the lecture rather than a word-for-word transcript. To wrap up, keep these do's and don'ts in mind. Do use consistent formatting and shorthand to keep up with the pace of the speaker. But don't be so brief that your notes become unreadable when you return to them. Finally, stay organized by using a dedicated notebook or filing system rather than loose sheets of paper. By applying these techniques of attentive listening and strategic organization, you will find that note-taking becomes an invaluable tool for your memory and a powerful boost to your overall academic performance.